Countries differ in size, institutions, productivity levels, and other characteristics. These differences distort panel data analysis. Today I'll show you how to remove them using the within transformation. In panel data, each country has its own long-run level. Some are always richer, some always more productive. These persistent differences are called entity effects. If we don't remove them, they bias correlations and hide true dynamics. Here's our productivity dataset from 2022 to 2025. Notice how each country has a different level. That's exactly what we want to remove. To remove entity effects, we first compute the average productivity for each country. This gives us each country's long-run level. Next, we attach the correct country mean to every row. We use index plus match. Match finds the country in the country mean table, and index returns its mean. Don't forget to add $signs in front of the arrays before you drag the formula down, otherwise it won't work. Now each observation knows its country's long-run average. Finally, subtract the country mean from each observation. This removes all time-invariant differences and isolates within-country variation, the core of fixed effects logic. Demeaned values show how each country deviates from its own long-run level. Positive values mean above its structural trend. Negative values mean below it. The within transformation is the backbone of fixed effects models. It removes all time-invariant heterogeneity, geography, institutions, culture, leaving only meaningful variation. You've just performed the within transformation in Excel, a key step behind fixed effects regressions. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.